Yeah, it's in South Florida.
Okay, cool.
So this is a 2025 or 2026?
26, if I'm not mistaken. 26, correct.
Alright, so 2026 CLE 53 AMG. Do you know how much horsepower it has?
Yep. So we have 443 horsepower.
Nice. That's a lot.
Also, you can change the driving mode there on the steering wheel.
Oh yeah, I'm in comfort right now.
Yes, and you can change it to sport or super sport.
Nice.
Here to the right. And then on the stop sign, we can go to the left.
I like the low tone, how it sounds. It is very mean sounding. The left?
Yes. And you have it on comfort. If you change it, it's gonna change also.
Sport Plus. Oh wow, that's fast. I like that. Dang, that's actually really nice.
It is a very nice ride.
But it's also comfortable too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's the comfort and the luxury of a Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah.
100%.
Is you get the luxury too. In my Corvette, it's not luxury at all. It's just the freaking Corvette.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a very fast
nice
car.
Corvette,
It's
yeah.
nice, it's fast, it looks like an exotic, but
Yeah.
I'm getting, you know, like I said,
For
I'm
the
20
budget,
I'm
for
25. I want to upgrade now, you know.
Nice.
I want to get into BMW, Porsche, Mercedes, and you guys have both cars that I'm looking at, CLE 53
Yeah.
and M4 Competition. Those are the two cars that I'm deciding between.
Nice.
Which one would you get? Even though you're a Mercedes girl, I know.
Mercedes.
Yeah.
For sure.
Oh, yeah, it thinks I'm talking to it.
Can you say it again?
Cancel.
Wow.
We can go to the right here. Yeah, this thing we go for sure.
And I love the interior lighting of a Mercedes.
It's probably the best.
It's the best
ambience
interior,
light
for sure.
For all the makes.
It's
bro.
the best, for sure. I can agree with that. It has
Also
the
carbon
best.
fiber accents. Super nice.
Wow. It has best of both worlds, you know what I mean?
It's going.
Very nice. Wow.
And this one has everything.
Es suave.
Yes, very.
Es suave.
Very smooth. Very smooth.
That's Spanish, right?
Tick.
Es caro, es suave.
Suave is smooth. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Got a flat tire. We can take a ride on this strip coming up.
Nice.
Sounds so good.
It does sound good, huh?
Sounds pretty
Wow. And you can still like be chill
good. Yeah.
in comfort mode. I go to 40.
Reach the speed quick and then you can maintain it pretty chill.
It shifts really good. And it has, wait, it has massaging seats?
No, this one doesn't.
Oh, okay.
Let's check it. What color do you like?
I like red. There's a lot of colors, huh? Oh, that's nice. Dang. You know, it just, I think this is not far off. My car's sticker was 76,000. So obviously out the door and all that. So this is not far off.
Not too far from it, being a 2026 brand new AMG. I mean, hey.
This is nice, right?
Yeah.
I just kind of wish I had got this instead of the Corvette, but this 26 wasn't out. I got the Corvette in 2025.
It's nice. I mean, it's a great car to look at to switch from 100%.
I mean, the thing is, you have to find a middle ground. Porsche is like $200,000.
A 911?
Yeah. That's what I would get, is a Porsche 911
For sure.
or a 718 Cayman, and that's also like 200 grand. And I'm like, I don't know about that.
I mean, if you're looking at that price tag, you might as well compare with the GT. You know what I mean?
The AMG GT, yeah. And I think the AMG GT is a slept-on car.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people don't really see the AMG GT.
I mean, I would definitely go with a GT before a 911.
Yeah.
The only thing with me, with the GT, is the adjustment on the seats. Because I got on it, you can drive it and everything, but like I have long legs.
Yeah.
And I like the space.
Yeah.
And with the GT, I really can't
I like the
do
pink.
that.
Pink looks good too.
Yeah. No, every color looks gorgeous. And then you have the multicolor option actually.
Oh, nice.
So you can like
the neon green.
Oh, and here we're going to the right. I apologize.
Oh, we're going to the right. Okay.
Yeah. That was my bad. Too close for trying to look at the car.
How does this feel on like highway speeds? Because this is all city.
I know, but yeah.
There is no highway here, right?
Not nearby, unfortunately.
Yeah. That's the fun about Gainesville.
Yeah, right. Small town. Well, but it's kind of like San Agustin too, right?
Yeah. We have we have 95.
Yeah. We have 75 here, but we're like probably 25 minutes away.
Dang, that's far. This is nice. It's like comfort. You can just chill.
Then on the next light, we're gonna turn right again.
Okay.
So, I should get my shades.
I forgot mine. What is that called?
That's the color. That's the name of this blue.
Oh, okay.
This is Starling Blue Max.
Starling Blue Magnum. Nice. Oh, you guys have two Porsches.
Yes, we have a. If I'm not mistaken, it's a 15 911 and
2021.
Yeah, the other.
Is that a Turbo S?
Yes.
You guys have good inventory here.
Yeah, we have pretty nice cars. We really get cool trades. We get cool cars, so people that has cool cars come trade them.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
A lot of people have Porsches too. But
I mean, it's a popular car in the sense like if you have the money to have it, you know what I mean? Like why not?
if I could, I'd buy all of them
Exactly.
and not pick and choose.
Like I would have probably an R8.
An R8 V10?
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with that.
You don't like that?